unlocking your body's natural health to getting your energy, your vitality back is the same exact thing that brought this rose back to life. No, this was not a magic trick. What you're watching is redox signaling molecules in action. These molecules are the best cellular biohack out there and will literally reshape the way that you look at wellness. Understand this, we took a wilted rose, put it in a solution of redox signaling molecules, and you can see within hours, the petals started to perk up, the leaves started to perk up. It was like it was coming back to life from the inside out. And what's happening is not hydration. So here you can see one rose is just simply put in water, and the other rose is put in a solution of redox signaling molecules. And watch. The difference is striking. This isn't hydration. This is all about cellular communication. And this is the exact same process that's happening inside of your body. Understand, you're making something called redox signaling molecules. They're produced in you. When we are young, we produce a lot. And as we get older, we produce less and less. And the reason this is a problem is because these are the communication network of the body. It's how your trillions of cells are talking. When there is damage, it's the signal that goes out to let your body know, hey, we have an issue over here. Come address it. This is how the body knows to renew, to put new, healthy, young cells in the place of old, damaged cells. We see it on our skin. When we're young, our skin turns over. Every 28 days, we get young, healthy, fresh cells in there. As we get older, we don't. So what do we see? Wrinkles. We see damage. We see that we don't look as young, and it's because we have these older cells. Now, the same thing is happening internally. So what does it mean for you internally if the cell turnover isn't as good, as the body is not able to detect the damage, the issues as fast? Well, it probably feels like low energy, poor focus. It feels like slower recovery times after a workout. It feels like mental fog. It feels like having things pop up in your body that kids don't see, right? It's like maybe you're like the rose. As you've gotten older, you're just feeling like you're drooping a little bit, you're wilting a little bit more and more with each passing year. And so you can now supplement with redox signaling molecules. This is huge. This is the best biohack out there because what it's doing is it's restoring and giving your cells their voice back. So now all of a sudden, your body can hear where the issues are. Your body can go and address them. That's what happened with this rose. All of a sudden, when the signal was restored, the cells were able to start functioning properly again. And you can see how it just brings life back. You can live younger a little bit longer. All right, understand this is not a treatment, a cure to any disease or illness. We are so used to and almost indoctrinated and trained to seek a medication for a symptom. Well, typically that just masks it. What this is looking at the root cause. We're looking at the causal level. Everything is cellular. You are just trillions of cells. If you can get your cells healthy, you are healthy. That trickles up to every tissue, organ, and system of the body. So this is a whole new way to address your health, restoring cellular communication. And I'm telling you, people have been using this for over 15 years. I myself have been drinking redox signaling molecules for 10 years. People are reporting more natural energy, faster recovery times. I mean, athletes love this. Improved sleep, better, sharper focus, relief of discomfort in muscles and joints. I mean, just like a whole new, renewed you. It's like that rose coming back to life. Your sense of well-being just gets restored and your body gets back in sync. It finds its harmony and balance again. This is why it's an incredible biohack. It is safe, it is effective, there's no toxicity, there's no possible contraindications. It is something that everyone should be utilizing. And for whatever reason, it's like the best kept secret out there, but no longer. Now that you can see what's happening in this rose, I want you to feel it in your body. And my suggestion is that you get started with the 3 redox signaling products that ASEA offers. They have a deluxe bundle. It gets you that liquid that is incredible, goes internally and helps the cells where they need it internally. But there's also 2 topicals. One that helps with the skin, any issues there, wrinkles, sun damage, cellulite, you name it, with all the cuts and bumps and bruises and whatever happening on your skin, you can address it there. And the other, the Redox Gold, is going to help with discomfort in muscles and joints, and it's going to go a little bit deeper. So you can get 10% off when you use the code Danielle at checkout, and this is a money back guarantee. So try all of the Redox products. I want you to feel this vitality, what it feels like to be renewed from the inside out, and you have nothing to lose here and a revitalized you to gain.